Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a leopard seal. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our leopard seal, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to color in a little dot for the eye. Next, I'm going to make a little line that comes right across the top. And then I'm going to make a little line underneath it. Next, I'm going to bring this line around here, just for kind of like the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up with like a little curve. And then I'm going to kind of connect it right here. This is going to kind of be where the nose and the nostril are. Next, we're going to bring this line back here and then down. Then I'm going to kind of curve this down to here for the mouth. Then I'm going to bring this line around here for a curve. Then I'm going to curve a little line back here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over for the bottom of the mouth. And then I'm going to make some sharp teeth on the top, and then some sharp teeth right on the bottom. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of a broken line here, and a little bit of a line here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a long line that comes down for the neck. And then I'm going to curve this over. I'm going to bring this line down here for the flipper and curve it back. And then we're going to curve these lines back here for some little details on the flipper and then bring it over. Next, I'm going to curve this line down to here, and then bring it here. And then I'm going to curve it to here. Then we're going to curve it to here, and bring some little bumps here. Then we're going to bring it here and then just kind of curve around. Next, I'm going to put a bunch of little dots on here just for kind of like where the whiskers would be. And then I'm going to put some little whiskers kind of coming off the side here. Then I'm going to put like a couple little kind of broken lines, real nice and light, just to kind of show some detail on here. And then a couple more little lines here. A couple little curves here and a little line here. Little line here. And then a couple little lines back here. And a little line down the back. Little broken line here, and then a line here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a leopard seal. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.